Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. This is the 2-minute MRE cracker challenge. I think the idea is to eat MRE crackers in 2 minutes or less. I have my stopwatch pulled up on my phone. My crackers are pre-opened and ready, so I did just lose a little piece, but whatever. Let's hit start, and I guess I could pull one out and have it ready. I just saw Tracy and his lovely wife doing this on his channel, so I will link his video below so you can go check him out. It's actually really funny because, you know, they pretty much couldn't stop laughing. So let's go. Let's hit start. Halfway there. Crap. Alright. Couldn't do it. I did have a couple of pieces fall to the ground, but and then this big piece fell and hit the dirt. Damn. Well, I'll give something to the birds. That's harder to do than I thought it would be. Man. Alright, well, 2-minute cracker challenge. Couldn't do it. Fortunately, I didn't have anyone here making me laugh, so. Just the guy walking his dog. I was wondering if he was going to say something and interrupt me, but he didn't, so. Alright, well, that's the 2-minute MRE cracker challenge. Failed. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.